the fourth. Rina Villamor, what do you have for us?
Yes, the Lady Troopers were reminded to play it very confidently but not complacently. Sabi nga ni Coach Rico kanina, sayang lang ang pinaghirapan nila during the first two sets kung hindi naman nila maipapanalo ang larong ito. Katulad ng sabi nyo kanina, no time to relax. They have to take it point per point. And although they are very tight, it is very important for them to communicate inside. As for the Viets of Petro team, they are in high spirits after that win in the third set. And they are positive that they can extend this match to set 5. Back to you guys.
All right, thanks, Rina. And that's what they need, more of what they did in those first two sets. Service ace again from Mayet after that hit of Rachel. And Rachel seems to be, telling the other girls, hey, you gotta make this work.
And you really see her talking to everyone.
Oo. Chini-cheer on niya yung iba. Ooh!
Yung pangalawang beses na nating nakitang ginawa ni Katya from the back, but she, instead of hitting it hard, off speed.
Because everyone is expecting a strong hit from Katya, and then suddenly she just drops it. Ayun, nalito yung depensa. 9-4, back to a 5-point lead. Short reception there from Ging.
Oh, that one didn't go over.
Getting the tape of the net, Rachel Ann. Lead up to 6 points once more. Again, serving to Torres. Rachel again.
That was just with a snap of her wrist. Kita mo, wala masyadong power, and you just saw her snap her wrist.
And bring it to the end zone, to the corner, down the line. Walang katao-tao, no? So, great court recognition by Rachel. Johan again with the serve na wala yung karga dun sa serve ng Philippine Army. Johan will give it back to Rachel. Gets it over.
Point again for the Viets of Petro team.
11-5.
Ito na yung sinasabi din ni Coach Rico, no? Sayang yung pinanalo nila in the first two sets if they will just, give it up na ganito kadali para sa Vietnam team.
Grabe si Rachel.
No, if she wants to earn a point, she will really find a way to do that. Look at this. Pinadaan sa mas maliit na blocker.
Ganda nung down the line from Rachel. 11-6. The crowd cheering on Rachel. Nawala yung karga sa mga serve nitong Philippine Army.
Well, last we saw was that of Mayat Carolinos.
Now it's back with Rachel's serve. Tamo, nahirapan na naman maka-set up ng maganda.
Inasala had the right thing in mind, but the set was too low. Wasted opportunity here for the Lady Troopers.
Sayang yun, ano?
Oo.
Ganda ng dating ng bola, and I saw Michelle Carolino just waiting here for that set.
Mayat Carolino and Torres, nag-overlap sila that time.
13-6. Lumayo na naman po itong Viets of Petro by 7 points. This time, Ging Balse gets it through. Nastia. Tina Salak will serve. Nice serve from Tina. Let's see if they save it.
Free ball.
Nice block there from Vietnam.
Carolino getting a point, and there is a net violation as well. Could have gone anyway, but it was a point for Philippine Army.
5-point lead now for Viets of Petro. The Philippine Army trying to catch up.
Inasala with a
Nice
good
serve.
serve.
Nagkasabay yung dalawa, and the set was a bit high for the first one. Siyempre, pinalampas niya. But a bit low for the next one. Kasi hindi naman niya inaasahan na bibigay rin sa kanya. So,
Nastia was actually clarifying if the ball was hers.
see, alanganin eh. John Bunag with a good effort. But that ball was too far away for Tina Salak to get. 14-9 is our score. Katia will be serving.
No more jump serve for Katia.
Outside, good decision on Joan's part to let it fly.
Balse now getting ready.
Balse had a number of service aces in the first two sets.
Oh, getting it at the second ball. You know, Bunag is really naturally athletic.
Sobrang ganda ng palo ni
Naturally
Joan.
athletic. And you know, that one was coming from, that was actually a second ball. Look at this. Saved by Salak. Although, overhead yung pagkaka-save, ano? Pero,
But, you know, not you rarely find that in a player na ganun ka-aggressive.
Oo.
And Joan Bunag will gladly get that second touch set as we see Mary Jean Balse score with a service ace with some help from the net. Look at the serve from Mary Jean Balse. It will hit the tape and just enough to roll over and get that service ace, trimming down the lead to only 2 points now. They are very close and unlike nung third set na nanalo ang Vietso Petro, ang layo eh. Huli na sila nung humabol. Ito, maganda-ganda ang laban dito sa fourth.
good luck. Oh, sumabit sa kamay. But, you know, talking about Bunag earlier, looking at her numbers right now, 62% success rate when it comes to attacking. So that's pretty high.
Very, very high.
Considering that she gets a lot of sets.
I know, very high for Joan Bunag. And that's because of how aggressive she is. This time, Michelle Carolino. And this is what you want to see from the Philippine Army. The energy that they had in the first two sets. Medyo nawala eh nung third set. 13-15 and it is M9 serving. Floater to Katia. Rachel.
Oh, she was aiming for the end line, but too long.
Yes.